Welcome to Fudget Notifications.
Ready to take control of your finances? Enabling notifications in the Fudget app helps you stay updated on your budgeting goals, spending limits, and upcoming expenses. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the simple steps to activate and customize alerts so you're always informed without fuss or confusion.
Accessing notification settings.
Start by opening the Fudget app on your device. Tap the menu icon or navigate to the Settings section, usually indicated by a gear symbol. Scroll until you find the Notifications or Alerts option. This is where you can manage how and when Fudget will send you updates about your budget activity.
Turning on notifications.
Within the Notifications section, look for a toggle switch or checkbox to enable notifications. Slide or tap it to turn notifications on. You may be prompted to grant permission for the app to send you alerts, especially on your phone. Confirm these permissions to ensure you don't miss any important updates.
Customizing your alerts.
Fudget allows you to tailor alerts to your needs. Choose which notifications you want to receive, such as reminders for bill due dates, alerts for overspending, or weekly budget summaries. Adjust the frequency and types of alerts based on your personal preferences, ensuring you get helpful reminders without unnecessary distractions.
Staying organized with Fudget.
Once notifications are set up, you'll receive timely reminders and updates that help you track finances effortlessly. If you ever want to adjust or mute notifications, simply revisit the notification settings. With Fudget's alerts active, managing your money and reaching your budgeting goals becomes much easier.